Hello and welcome to my channel Wonders of Price Action. I earlier analyzed this pair GBPUSD in which I was unable to clearly define the entry point for sale. One of my subscriber who commented on my video, and I am very thankful to him, he told the exact entry point. And when I analyzed that according to my low breaking strategy, that was looking me nice entry. So I am going to analyze it again for my viewers. This was the high of the market, and after this high, this was the low of the market. After this low, the market went up to here and made a resistance. After resistance, after retesting from here, this low was broken. Now this low has been broken. Now this was the point retest. Let me show you what is written. I retest before low breaking. This was the retest before this low breaking. Now what is remaining? What is this? And this is low breaking. This was the low, this was the high of the market, this was the low of the market. The market went back, retested here and broke this low. So here the low has been broken and market has touched this resistance created support. But now the market is in downtrend, but for the entry, the best price will be same this level, which was retested before breaking low. Now it is expected that there is high probability that it will go back and retest this level. So let me put it here this way, that from here the market is going back to retest this, and after retesting this will be going down. And you can watch those my analysis that of USD JPY, GP JPY, Euro JPY. This looks me same setup now, and in this is this level. Which one is this? You may watch this. This is the best entry point for the sell, and the stop loss above this wick. Let me put another horizontal line here for stop loss. For stop loss, this is horizontal line above this wick. This will be the entry, this will be the stop loss, and the TP, I think this is the best support for TP. If anyone who wants to take earlier, then this level is also the good for TP. This is also good for TP. Subscribe my channel, like this video, and thanks for watching. Bye for now. I will be coming in the next video with another analysis.